Assalamu alaikum dear learners. Uh, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how we can program with IO handling functions in C++. So let's start our program. Uh, Today we are going to learn about programming with IO handling. Here in this short video tutorial, I am going to convert yards to feet and vice versa. Okay, this is actually a unit calculation to convert yards to feet and vice versa. So as we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, and if we need to convert the value of yard to feet, we need to multiply length with 3. This is how we can get the yard in feet. And if we are going to convert feet to yards, then we need to divide the length with 3. So let's start our program. Hash include iostream using namespace std main. First of all, I'm going to initialize the variables as float yard feet. Okay, now first of all I'm going to write a statement conversion of yards to feet. This is heading. Okay, and for this heading I am also adding escape sequence, and I can also use a beep here. Cout, enter the length in yards. Okay, now whatever the length you will get, you will store that length into C in yards. The variable name is yards. What is the formula to convert yard into feet? Is equal to yard three multiply by 3 multiply by feet is equal to 3 multiply by yards. Now print the result cout the length of yards. This will print the value here. The length of yards in feet is equal to, we can use a tab here. The length of, it will print like the length of, then yards, the value of the yard. Let's suppose you have entered 5 yards, 5 yards in feet, \t, and the value will be taken from feet. Okay, now again I am converting from feet to yard in the same program. Control C, Control V, conversion of feet to yard, feet to yards. Enter the length in feet. Now the result will be stored in feet, yards equal to any data that you have entered, feet divided by 3. You will get the result of data, you will get the result in yards. The length of feet, yards in feet is equal to, or you can simply write here, I'm going to change the dash feet is equal to /t yards. It will print, let's suppose you have entered 12 feet is equal to how many yards. Now let's save the data. Yards to feet, save, and let's print the data. Enter the length in yards. Let's suppose I am entering the length, first of all, 1. The length of 1 yard in feet is equal to 3. I need to enter \n here so that this heading come to the next line. Enter the length in feet. Let's suppose I enter 12. The result will 12 feet is equal to 4 yards. Okay, I can improve the output by adding more things like conversion \n here so that this heading comes to the next line. And also here I can use the length of yard. Instead of length of yard, I can use here the same statement that I've used here. Let's see which one is looking good. File, save. Sorry, this is saved already. Execute, compile and run. Enter length in yards, 4. The length of 4 yard in feet is equal to 12. Conversion of feet to yard. Enter the length in feet, 12. The 12 feet is equal to 4 yards. We can add 12 feet is equal to 4 yards, and this statement like this, and Control C, Control V. Here yards equal to yard will take from the feet, or this will print as feet. Okay, and here there should be a equal to sign and backslash t for the tab space. Enter the length in feet, equal to sign and backslash t. Now file, save, execute, compile and run. Let's see the enter the length in yards. I entered 4. 4 yards equal to 12 feet. Now conversion of feet to yard, enter the length in feet. I entered 12. 12 feet is equal to 4 yards. Now you can check the output of the following program. Now practice the program and try some more similar programs for your better understanding. Thank you.